top court is all set to hear the 26-week pregnancy termination case today. Aims Medical Board will submit fresh report on fetus and mother's health. In the previous hearing on Friday, Supreme Court had sought a fresh report from Aims to ascertain the health condition of the mother and her fetus. Aims report is needed to clarify if the fetus is suffering from any substantial abnormality. The court has also asked Ames to carry out their own evaluation of mental and physical condition of petitioner to ascertain if the woman has postpartum psychosis. The court had also urged the woman to reconsider her decision of aborting the child. This after reports from medical board indicated that the fetus could be born with a heartbeat if it is delivered at present. Supreme Court had on October 9 allowed the woman, a mother of two, to proceed with medical termination of pregnancy. Thereafter, the centre sought a recall of the order, citing the advice of a panel of doctors at Ames, Delhi against the abortion. Let's go straight across to Harish on this. Harish, a very contentious issue going to be heard by the top court today once again. Now today, of course, report on mother's health and fetus condition will be submitted by the doctors before the top court.
Yes, good morning. As I rightly said, the court on the last date of hearing had sought a fresh report from a medical board in Ames on the unborn child condition and the mother's mental state. The mother was asked to appear before the medical board for examination on two counts. That is, one, whether the fetus suffered from substantial abnormality, in which case the court can legally permit termination of pregnancy even after 24 weeks, and whether continuance of the pregnancy to its full term would be jeopardized by medicines being taken by the woman since October last year for postpartum psychosis, as you rightly said, which was diagnosed with after the birth of her second child. Remember, on earlier the Supreme Court had prima facie expressed its view against permission to terminate the pregnancy at this stage because the fetus was 26 weeks old and was an active live fetus with a heart. And the court had said that we cannot ask the Ames to commit a murder, commit a feticide, though a woman may have bodily autonomy and right to choice. Even the fetus has a right to life. So these were the very significant observations made by the Supreme Court. But before it pronounces its judgment, it wanted to seek one more report, and that report will be filed at 10:30. And we'll have to wait and watch what kind of order the Supreme Court will pass, whether it will allow the woman to terminate the 26-week pregnancy or not. Back to you.
Right. So we'll have to wait and watch out for what kind of order the Apex Court will give once Ames submits that health report. Thank you, Harish, for bringing those details.